Hello everyone, welcome back to BJ Tech channel. Here on this channel we teach different tutorials on how to make money online, introduce useful tools for working boys, share crypto flashing update method and much more. Kindly join my Telegram and WhatsApp channel for more updates. Also subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell so you'll be among the first to receive updates whenever I upload a new video. Without being said, let's move on to today's video. In today's video, I want to teach you guys how you can flash USDC on Coinbase. How flashing method works on Coinbase. Without further ado, let's get started. First, you go to your Play Store. We're needing the Base app. So download the Base app. So this is the Base app. So after you download it, let me update it. So after downloading it, then we can open it. Let's see. Open the app. So this is the USDC I have. So if you want to generate much USDT to my Base wallet, to my Coinbase, to do that you'll be needing OKS. Go to your Play Store, download OKS wallet. This OKS wallet, that is what you'll be using to create account. If you haven't watched my previous video on flashing method, go and watch it. This OKS, this green app. After you download it, also we open the OKS app. This is the green app. You create account. After you create account, then so you deposit BNB. So you deposit like $1 BNB or $2, any amount you have. So after you deposit the BNB, to get the flash USDC that you sent into your Base wallet, if you want to learn how to generate those contract address, DM me. We'll teach the tutorial also. And if you want the Base flashing update, just DM me. So like this, you come to this BNB, you paste the contract address. This is the contract address. Let me paste it. Oh, this is the contract address. Paste it. So let's generate like 00. So done. Then let's swap. So I've swapped to the USDC. To send out, you go to your Base wallet. We are using our Base wallet to send out. So in this interface now, once you create account on Base wallet, you may not see this interface. This interface now, to get this interface on your phone, you can either go to settings. Before you create an account on your Coinbase, you will not continue as Google. But if you are using Android, you can always switch back to this interface. So if you need the details of this tutorial, if you need the more details of this tutorial, can you DM? So if you want to flash this, I want to flash this my Coinbase now. So you just copy this wallet address, click on the toggle copy button on the middle here, or click once you click on it, then you click on the address, copy it, then go to your OKS. Let's send out this. Let's send out like 5,000 worth of USDC. So we have a small amount on that balance before, so we have sent out. Let's go to our Base wallet. Let's refresh. You can see it now. You can see it reflects. So that is how you can flash your Base wallet and get multiple coin. Let me put another money. Let's copy again. Let me flash all. Let me flash all this thing here. So I'll paste the wallet address and flash the $11,000. So if you're enjoying this video so far, please kindly like, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also join my Telegram channel for more crypto flashing update method Understand? So let's refresh. You can see it has reflected successfully. So to send out is very easy. Just click on it. Then if you want to send it to your client, anybody can see the money we receive. See our history. See the history. See. So that is how you can get your USDT on Coinbase. That is how to flash Coinbase. See you next in my next video. Bye.
Stay tuned for more tech insights. Like, share, and subscribe.